Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity K, also known as Miss My Mac. And in today's video, we are here with my best friend, Samantha.
Hi guys.
Samantha. And Samantha's actually also a professional makeup artist in Las Vegas, and that is how we met. We'll probably be talking about how we met in the video.
We're doing a best friend does my makeup because we're both makeup artists and we have different techniques and we like to see what we can teach each other.
And you guys, I'm so excited because one, I don't have to do my makeup. And two, Samantha does beautiful work. So I don't think I've actually ever had anyone do my complete full face. Have I?
I don't think so.
I don't think I've ever. I'm very picky. So I'll let people do certain parts of my makeup, but never a full face look. So I'm excited to see what we come up with.
All right guys, so I'm sure you have seen Trinity's amazing videos, and one of my favorite videos is her sanitation video. So first thing, sanitize your hands. I've known her for 9 years. I know what makeup I think looks best on her. I've seen her do crazy drag makeup where we're twins and we've had purple and teal matching eyeshadow.
Oh my god, I have to. I'm gonna
insert that. No,
I'm gonna insert that picture here. You guys have to see. We were destined to be makeup besties.
Yes, don't judge us. The glow up is real. So Trin, tell them how we met.
So while I was going through a lot of personal issues, oh god, how deep are we getting into this?
Girl, it's your channel. You spill all the tea you want.
So I don't know how long some of you have been following me. If you have been following me since I started YouTube, if you remember my old videos, you may have remembered me being in the video with a guy.
Brandon?
Who? What guy? I have never had an ex named Brandon.
Oh, no, girl, I'm thinking about Brandon when you did his makeup.
Oh, no.
Just kidding. Okay.
Yeah.
Rodney?
Rodney, yes.
In your video?
Mm-hmm.
Is that still up?
No, I deleted them.
Well, we can't watch that one. Okay.
Yikes. I kind of wish that I would have saved them on my channel, but I just deleted all of them. All of my old videos are gone, guys. I wish I would have saved them because they were oh god, they were flashback gold.
I'm going in with the Embryolisse. How do you pronounce it?
Embryolisse?
No, La Cream Concentrate?
Sure.
We don't speak French. We speak a little bad pidgin and a little bit of New York. So I'm gonna let this kind of sink into her skin.
Anyway, so in those old videos, you may have seen my ex in them. And we were going through a separation, and I was going through a custody battle with my daughter's dad, and I was in a really bad place, and I fell into a depression. And I woke up one morning and I was like, well, how do I get out of going to work today? I knew that I had to make a change. So that's when I decided to go for Mac. I was offered a part-time position at I believe it was a Dillard's or something, in Meadows Mall, which if you're from Vegas, we call it
Ghetto's Mall.
Or I could do a full-time position working for Nordstrom at the Mac counter.
I was already at Nordstrom Mac, and I was a part-time artist because I had a full-time job at a financial institution. And I was working 2 jobs, and I wanted to be full-time at Mac, but they said they didn't have any positions available. So in walks this girl, full-time, this baddie who I was just blown away with. I was like, who is she? Who does she think she is getting this full-time? And I didn't hate her, but I was really low-key
She hated me. She hated me.
I was jealous. I didn't hate her. Hate's a strong word. I was so jealous of her. I ended up seeing what an amazing person she was, and we got really close really quick and ended up being roommates for a couple years as well. So we've had some wild times.
Oh, yes.
Don't look at me. Don't make me blush on camera.
Oh my god, one of my favorite things to do, well, Samantha is no longer single. Samantha's newly engaged, guys.
Keep a ring on it. 5 years.
When Samantha and I were both single, one of our favorite things to do in Las Vegas, do not judge us, okay, there is this old hotel called the Rio. There's a club on the top of the hotel called Voodoo Lounge. And it has the most amazing strip views, right?
Amazing.
Of the entire city. It's just like real estate gold. But the club is so
Old.
Oh my god. I'm a people watcher.
Yes.
I love people
She's
watching.
a big people
Oh,
watcher.
I'm a huge people watcher. So that's like the best place. Do you remember that one lady that was dancing and
With
her
the
leg
foot?
was planted?
You guys, if this camera was to the ground, you would see the most awkward version of a Tootsie Roll kind of butterfly situation with the foot.
Living their best
She
life.
was living her best life.
She was living the ultimate life, and like it was just so cute to watch. It was fun. But what?
We used to go there quite a bit
Yeah,
and dance our lives
Yes,
away
yes.
and take over the dance floor like we were in a music video.
pretty much.
I've started the Sprout, and I'm not trying to keep it too Instagrammy, but
Cause she knows that's my pet peeve.
she hates the like trends, like the dropping on your face and all that stuff. One thing I'll say about Trinity is when we left MAC, we left the same time. Well, we left Nordstrom the same time. She went to a MAC Pro store, I went to a MAC freestanding store, and after that, Trinity was really inspiring and took a leap of faith and went for her dream, being a freelance professional makeup artist. I've assisted her on production, and she's grown from just the MAC stamp makeup to beautiful soft production makeup, which is still something I struggle with because I don't have that much experience in that field. So mine is kind of a hybrid of things I've learned from her, things I've learned from just practice, and keeping my like little bit of MAC talent alive, because MAC is the best training ground for a makeup artist to
for
grow.
sure.
Have you ever played with this?
No.
Look at the wand. Ooh. Oh, son of a. Okay. This has become one of my new favorites. It took over my Shape Cake favorite.
I like it.
It's good.
It's super soft. It's blendable. Yeah, I could never get with Shape Tape. I don't know why. I don't know if.
You're always against the hype. You've never been a follow the trends kind of girl.
But I wanted to try it and I wanted to love it. I just couldn't.
I have an obsession with researching products. Go to my Instagram and there's a little highlight story called Samantha Says, and I do little reviews because all I do is shop makeup, review it, test it. I'm coming after you, Trend Mood.
I feel the hair strokes going in.
Yes. She will be microblading my brows. So how do you like microblading? It's a new part of your career.
I love it. But
Has it been a year already?
yes.
Wow. Go show her some love, guys. I mean, she's really talented, she's honest, and you don't see that a lot in our industry. I'm an only child, so I have only child syndrome. So there was times where I was watching her succeed, and she honestly is one of my best friends of life. I'm so grateful to have met her. But I was like, why am I not getting these opportunities? And I had a little pity party. And she doesn't play with the pity thing. There is no pity for her. She earns everything, and I had to humble myself and be like, get over it. She works hard. Nothing's been handed to her. And I admire that. So it went from envy to adoration and admiration. So I just really respect her. If you guys like this video of us kind of bouncing off of each other, comment below what you want us to do next, whether it's compare our kits or share our favorites. Open your eye for me. I'm just gonna have you look.
It was open.
Look straight at the camera.
Oh, are you give me a bigger eye?
Oh, honey, we give you an eye like a
Like a
goldfish.
goldfish.
She can bang out some amazing looks. This girl can execute eyeliner like nobody's business.
Oh, thanks.
She should tell her to insert a picture of one of her old eyeliners. She would blow my mind away. We'd be getting ready for work. I'm gonna tell a little story that we didn't even talk about. It was Halloween, a weekend of Halloween, and she worked at Pro, and she decided she wanted to do, what's that guy's name? Jack?
Jack Skellington?
Yes. I'm in the bathroom trying to help this girl with a bald cap with all this gorgeous hair, trying to squeeze it through because she decided to do half Jack and half, what's the girl's name? So she did a split face of both of them.
Starts with an S.
Sally.
Sally.
So it was amazing, but we're like in the bathroom, she's covered in face paint, we're trying to get her bald cap on, she's running late, as always.
Always.
Always. This
Hawaiian
girl,
time.
island time. And she had a big old brain fart right now.
Yeah,
She's scared I'm gonna blind her.
her.
Have you tried this brush? Because I know I've told you about this brush.
You told me about it, but I did not get it. Did you get this one from QVC?
Yes.
I love QVC, guys.
She got me hooked on QVC. That is her fault.
I'm sorry. Sometimes they have good deals, and then the best part about it is they're easy pay. I'm an easy pay sucker.
Say hi, Mochi. Oh, she's such a good girl. She's just a big love bug.
She's a brat.
She is a brat. We'll talk, like we don't talk on the phone often, and when we do have a conversation, all you hear is Mochi growling at her in the background like, get off the phone now, Mom. The one thing I will say about the Dior Forever Skin is it does oxidize a little bit. So hopefully this doesn't dry down too dark on her, because we're not trying to have a moment of the person who we all know, and I'm not going to say his name, who had a foundation video talking about he doesn't like it to match, and that's okay.
That is not okay.
Not okay. Not completely not match. Giving a little warmth is different than 3 shades too dark.
Yes. Or the wrong undertone.
Now, you like a different sponge than me. What's it called again? Something on her finger.
The makeup bullet.
She loves it.
Is the shot. My skin is different. You know, I'm 39. I'm about to be 40 this year. And my skin has changed.
Right.
So I can't wear the same makeup that I used to wear 10, 15, 20 years ago.
She's just getting me all teary-eyed.
Why?
I'm kidding.
Oh.
I don't know why. It's just...
I never know when people are joking.
This eye just won't stop running. We are polar opposites. This nose has some dimension. Hers is more flat. She's got a little bunny nose, and she can contour it to where it is so beautifully sculpted without looking like there's 2 racing stripes down her nose. That's something, maybe she should do a tutorial on how she contours her nose, and maybe if I'm brave enough, she can try it on mine.
Remember back in the day when we used to sit people down and they'd be like, don't make me look like a drag queen.
Yes.
And
Absolutely.
then all they want now is like drag techniques. I'm like, how do you expect me to do your makeup like a drag queen but not make you look like a drag queen? I don't know.
Right, that part. What's been, since she has a lot more production experience, what's been your favorite male grooming experience, and what was your favorite like 2 products or tips you can recommend? Because I want to know.
Okay, my favorite male grooming, I can actually talk about this, but I can't give too much information away right now at this moment because it still hasn't been released. I did a 2-part male grooming for Bryce Harper, who is a professional baseball player. He is the new face of Sony Interactive's MLB The Show. So if you know PlayStation, Sony PlayStation, he is the cover athlete of MLB 19. So that was cool to get to do that. So a few months ago, we were doing the actual photos for that promotion, and just last week we actually did the filming for the commercials. So
and that picture's on your Instagram, right? Of the...
Well, one of the promotional photos is on Instagram with the Sony cover. It was used as kind of like a teaser to announce him as the cover athlete, but the actual game and the actual cover is not released yet. It'll be released next month.
I'm so proud of her. I literally almost cried when I saw it because she didn't tell me, which I was low-key pissed about.
Well,
I want to know everything.
No. The reason I couldn't talk about it was because I have to sign NDAs. So for those of you who are not in the industry, an NDA is a non-disclosure agreement. Once you sign that, you pretty much sign your life away saying, I'm not talking about shit.
Right.
And I think that's, again, a lot of people are like, you do all this cool stuff, why don't you ever talk about it? It's because I can't. They released the cover, I can talk about that. The actual commercial that we just worked on, I cannot talk about.
To the extent you want.
Right, because we signed another NDA on that. So unfortunately I can't talk about that, but that was a fun one.
What is your favorite? Spill the tea, girl. Spill it.
So I have a gem.
Have you been hiding it from me?
I mean, it's not really hidden. I just don't really talk about it.
Why? Because you don't want to share it?
No, it's I've had plans on doing a video about it. Yeah, I'll do that in another video.
Sorry, guys.
But it is. I'll give you a hint. It is a Mayron product. It's a Mayron product.
Okay.
So not a lot of people are onto that. And I remember I was on. Do you guys follow Adam Simmons?
Who's Adam Simmons?
He's so cute. He's just like this half Samoan, half Haole boy. I'm from Hawaii, and he's so cute, so good looking, but he's such a talented makeup artist. And
oh, I know who you're talking about. He's gorgeous. He's got like a nose ring.
Gorgeous.
He's so talented.
Okay, low key, I was like, he has to be gay, right?
He is, right?
No, he's straight.
Stop. He's gorgeous.
Girls, he's looking for a wife. I mean, clearly, whoever lands him is gonna be, has to be gorgeous,
Right.
because he's so pretty himself. Anyway, we were on a, well, not we, he was on a live, and I was like, oh, you have to try this product, and he was like, what? I'm screenshotting that. So I was like, oh, hey. Yeah, it was cute.
So you told him about your secret product? Have you talked to him since then about it?
No.
Okay. And I'm using some BH cosmetic brushes as well. They're really affordable. And that's all we're gonna say about that. I also like to use some Morphe brushes. I know she likes this lip liner, Urban Decay Liar. You guys, I used to use like MAC cork liner or even a Wet n Wild liner, dark brown, and concealer in the center. Literally butthole lips.
Butthole lips? Ew.
Brown with white. This gloss, if you guys fall in love with, I'm sorry, it's discontinued in the United States. They only sell it outside the country.
That's bullshit.
These are the Dior lacquers. Okay, I feel like there's a little bit of patchiness here that I really need to correct. Turn this way. And I'm just gonna kind of buff it out, you guys, because I don't want her to have skipping in her complexion. So, where did my palette go? I'm gonna go in with my
And because she
Chanel
knows I'm like the most critical eye.
palette. I'm nervous to see what she says. Look down.
Sorry, yep, I'm looking down. Sorry, I have to send this to Tosh.
No, it's okay. Hi, Tosh. Now, obviously you can see them, but do you feel any poking if you look to any corners?
Ooh, awnings.
Hey, this girl used to wear 2 and 3 pairs of lashes.
I did. How
and
did
now
I ever
this
do
is
that?
overwhelming her. All right, but what else should we tell them about? So we talked about how we met. We lived together for what, 3 years? 2.5? 3 years.
Yeah, I can maybe 3.
Because the first house, me and you.
Yeah.
The second house, me and you again.
Yeah.
And then Justin.
Yeah.
And then we moved to another house.
Yeah, it's about 3
Yeah.
years.
She took me in when I broke up with my ex and I needed a home and I was homeless, and she was like, come to mama. To invite someone to live into your, like live with you in your home says a lot about you. Now this definitely takes the look from, you know, I'm going out and I'm kind of cute to, I need to take some selfies, curl the hair, put on a cute dress and take a photo for the gram because
Oda man.
girl, let's get her to 15,000 real soon. She's almost at 11. Let's get her to 15. Let's get me to 5,000.
Yay.
You know, support your girl. Support another artist. One last thing. Urban Decay setting spray. Get that all-nighter, locking it down. Shout out to Steve for the support. All night.
Thank you.
And I want her to see. I'm going to hand her a mirror so she can check it out. And I want her to give me honest feedback. Right.
I like it. I think it's a pretty look. I would definitely wear this if I was going somewhere.
I think she looks beautiful. It may not be the perfect way she does her makeup, but it's the way I think she looks soft and beautiful. I could spend another hour tweaking, contouring her nose a little more, blending her eyeshadow a little more, but this was just an introduction for me. She wanted to show me some love, and I wanted to glam her up. It's been 8 years of knowing each other, and this is the first full face. So maybe
Full face.
we'll switch in the next video.
Yes, that's definitely what I want to do. We'll
Okay.
switch.
We'll see, because I've got
I
several
don't
things
know.
I
I don't know if I'll be able to do her makeup the way she likes it, so that'll be a challenge for me too.
do. I'm sure I'll love it. So my stuff will be down below. Smash the subscribe button, a thumbs up, and a comment for your girl. Follow her new brow page. She'll have all the links down below.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.